All right, Patricio Lugo here with us after his 4-0 win over Bryant Clagon of Ryder. Much like your match earlier today, it was sort of a grudge match. Points were hard to come by. You were able to clinch riding time by the end of the second period. So you had a lot of comfort. I think you had about a 2-0 lead heading into the third period. So what was your comfort level like in the third period? But then again, how was it to maintain that lead?
It was good. I was comfortable where I was at, how many points I had, how many points he had. But I know I can't relax out there. No matter who I'm wrestling, everyone's good, everyone's tough. I just gotta stick to my game plan and don't relax.
And it looked like towards the end there, Clagon was trying to get the pin on you. What was your mindset trying to avoid that?
Smart wrestling. I was up by 3 with riding time, so I was up by 4, and then he was on top. I was not doing anything funky. Stay solid. Don't do anything stupid and get the win.
All right, and now you move on to the third set of Wrestlebacks tonight. So, what's your preparation as you have this brief time to prepare for it?
Right now, I'm just gonna relax, calm down, not think about it too much. But when the time comes, I'll be ready.
All right, sounds good, Pat. We'll see you later tonight.